everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing great at home. So today I welcome you to my YouTube channel जिसका नाम है Schooling Point. And today in this video lecture we are going to discuss a very important chapter of class 10 जिसका नाम है Acid, Bases and Salts. So basically in this chapter we have to study all these following topics. They are namely, first we have to discuss what are acid, bases and salts. Then we have to discuss the chemical properties of acid, bases and salts. Then when we have to discuss what do all acid and bases have in common. Then number 4, what happens to acid or bases in a water solution. Then 5, how strong are acid, bases or base solution. Then 6ly, we have to discuss importance of pH in everyday life. Then lastly and more importantly we have to discuss more about salts. तो बच्चों बात कर लेते हैं अब what are acid, bases and salts are. अगर हम एसिड की बात करें तो एसिड वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो कि हाइड्रोजन आयंस को कंटेन करते हैं एंड दे आर बेसिकली सोर इन टेस्ट. सोर मीन्स खट्टा. यू नो वेरी वेल दैट हम बोल सकते हैं एसिड वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो कि हाइड्रोजन आयन को कंटेन करते हैं एंड दे आर सोर इन टेस्ट. वाइल अगर बेसिस की बात करें तो बेसिस वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो कि हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस को कंटेन करते हैं एंड दे आर बिटर इन टेस्ट. बिटर मीन्स कड़वा. सो वी कैन राइट ओवर हियर दैट एसिड्स आर हाइड्रोजन आयन containing substances which are sour in taste. while अगर मैं बेसिस की बात करूं तो मैं लिख सकता हूं बेसिस के लिए that bases are hydroxide ions containing substances which are bitter. That means कड़वा. bitter in taste. Alright. हम यहाँ हाइड्रोजन आयंस को लिख सकते हैं as H पॉजिटिव आयंस while हम हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस को डिनोट करते हैं as OH नेगेटिव आयंस. Alright. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट अगर हम बात करें एसिड और बेसिस के बारे में तो हम लिख सकते हैं दैट acid turns blue litmus to red. What exactly now litmus is, ये हम डिस्कस करेंगे थोड़ा आगे चल के. जब हम बात करेंगे इंडिकेटर्स के बारे में तो हम जान लेंगे what is litmus एक्चुअली. तो इसके लिए मैंने एक एब्रिविएशन बनाई है, हो सकता है आप लोगों के काम आए. तो यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस दैट ABR. Here you can remember like this that acid, A for acid turns blue, for B for blue, litmus to red. So here you can remember like this. while अगर हम बात करें सेकंड पॉइंट की, यहाँ सेकंड लिख लेते हैं, यहाँ फर्स्ट लिख लेते हैं, यहाँ पर भी फर्स्ट लिख लेते हैं, यहाँ पर भी सेकंड लिख लेते हैं. अगर हम बात करें बेसिस की तो बेसिस क्या करते हैं, बेसिस टर्न्स ब्लू लिटमस टू रेड. यहाँ पर भी एक एब्रिविएशन है जिसका आप यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक इट इज एज BRB. दैट मीन्स बेसिस टर्न्स रेड लिटमस टू, R फॉर रेड एंड लिटमस टू ब्लू. ये कोई बुक में नहीं दे रखी है, जस्ट आपको यूज करनी है एज अ ट्रिक. तो बेसिकली नेक्स्ट हम बात करते हैं अबाउट थर्ड पॉइंट दैट सारे के सारे एसिड्स जो होते हैं, एसिड्स वो are corrosive in nature. Acids are corrosive in nature. Alright. Next हम बात करते हैं bases की. तो bases are soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. Soapy, as like you have seen sabun in your home. If you feel that sabun, that you feel will soapy, and that is the best example of base. So this is the third point. If we have to write some examples for acids, So there are many examples of acids. Mainly we have got hydrochloric acid, hydrochloric acid. Then we have got nitric acid. Then we have got sulfuric acid, and there are many more, etc., etc. If we have to write examples for bases, so we have got sodium hydroxide. Its formula is NaOH. Next, we are having potassium hydroxide. And we are having calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide is there, and there are many more which contains hydroxide ions. Okay? So basically these are the difference between acid and bases. And if we talk about salts, so we can write then जब ये acid and base आपस में react करते हैं, so they form salt. So we can write easily that salts are formed when acid and base react together, and this reaction between acid and bases is called neutralization reaction. This reaction between acid and bases is called neutralization reaction. There are many salts. There are thousands of salts you can form by mixing any of the elements. Firstly, we are having NaCl. This NaCl is a sodium chloride, the common salt that you basically use at your homes. Then we have got FeCl2, that is iron chloride. Then we have got sodium sulfate, Na2S4, and there are many more. तो अब जैसे कि हमने जान लिया है कि what are acid and bases are, तो हम easily कह सकते हैं that acid वो substances होते हैं that are sour in taste, and bases वो होते हैं that are bitter in taste. यहाँ sour का मतलब है खट्टा and bitter का मतलब है कड़वा. So as we come to know that if suppose we are having a substance, and so we can easily identify that substance by tasting it. If that substance tastes sour, so that means that substance is containing acid and its nature will be acidic. And if that substance tastes kadwa, that means bitter, so that substance will be basic in nature. But not all the time we can differentiate that substance by tasting it only, as that substance might be poisonous and that can harm us. So for that we are having some indicators. Now what are indicators? Indicators वो substances होते हैं जो कि हमको help करते हैं to identify that whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. So we can easily write that indicators are those substances which help us to identify whether the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. All right. So mainly there are three types of indicators. We have got three types of indicators. Number one is natural indicator. Natural indicator. Next, we are having synthetic indicator. And third one, we are having olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators. All right. Coming to first one, बात कर रहे हैं natural indicators की. As the name suggests itself, that natural indicators वो indicators होते हैं that comes naturally. For example, litmus we are having. अब now, what is litmus? तो लिटमस की अगर बात करें तो लिटमस एक ऐसा डाई है जो कि एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है फ्रॉम लाइकन. अब ये लाइकन एक ऐसा प्लांट का स्पीशी है जो कि एक्सट्रैक्ट या फिर हम कह सकते हैं ये रहता है एक सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप में ऑफ एल्गी एंड फंजाई. अबाउट लाइकन यू विल स्टडी इन बायोलॉजी. नाउ आगे बढ़ते हैं और बात करते हैं. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ नेचुरल इंडिकेटर इज टर्मरिक. टर्मरिक मीन्स हल्दी. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि फर्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ नेचुरल इंडिकेटर इज लिटमस. लिटमस बेसिकली इसकी कुछ स्ट्रिप्स बनाई जाती हैं. हम कह सकते हैं इस लिटमस पेपर की कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रिप्स बनाई जाती हैं, पेपर स्ट्रिप, जो कि ब्लू इन कलर होती हैं. कुछ ऐसी स्ट्रिप्स होती हैं that is blue in color as well as you can find them in red color. Alright. Next बात करते हैं synthetic indicators की. Again as the name suggests, synthetic indicators वो indicators होते हैं जो कि made by human beings. तो हम कह सकते हैं synthetic indicators are those indicators which are prepared by human beings. So in this again we are having two examples. Methyl orange, and next we are having phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, PHALEIN, phenolphthalein. So these are the two examples of synthetic indicators. Natural indicators के लिए यहाँ और भी examples हैं, just like beetroot, turmeric. Turmeric तो हमने लिख ही दिया. Beetroot is there and etc. etc. There are many more. Now coming to olfactory indicators. Now this is a typical term. You need to understand that what is olfactory indicators. तो अगर बच्चों हम बात करें olfactory indicators की, तो olfactory indicators वो indicators होते हैं जो कि अपना odor change करते हैं in acidic और basic media. अब what is odor? तो पहले लिख लेते हैं that olfactory indicators are those substances whose odor, you know, odor means गंध. अब अच्छी लगे तो गंध, बदबू, और अच्छी लगे तो खुशबू. So we can write that are those substances whose odor changes in acidic or basic media. That means they give a characteristic smell. They give a characteristic smell when put in acidic medium, and they give a characteristic smell when put in basic medium. For example, we have got vanilla extract as an example of olfactory indicators. Next we are having clove oil, and we are having onion as an examples of olfactory indicators.